Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to my channel, and let's hop into the watch me work because we're doing my nails and they need to be done. So guys, these are my natural nails. I have gone through all the prep and everything, and I'm coming in with Mia Secret dehydrator as well as 2 coats of Mia Secret extra bond. But yeah, these are the actual length of my nails. I know you guys see like a bit of pink there, just to, like 3/4 of the nail down. That's because I left some of the Luminary Nails gel color Hope, just because when it came to reshaping, I figured I could use that extra strength to my nails, and it did take me like a full week, well not a week, a couple of days after I took down this product to do my nails anyway, and this helped me keep them from breaking. So yeah. So now I'm coming in with a thin coat of Gershon's base coat on all the nails, and I'm kind of bugged with myself because I'm going to be using IBD gel. I use it quite a bit, and I don't have the dehydrator or the bond that they use or their top coat and base coat. Like at this point, it's like, girl, figure it out. So I'm going to be using the Russian technique that I love, where you pick up your detail brush, a little bit of the builder, you go straight to the cuticle area, and then you come down the sidewalls and you keep the product nice and thin. So I won't be taking this all the way down the nail. I'll just be stopping like maybe a half of the way down, and I won't be curing this layer of IBD gel because I will be using this to adhere our flowers and gold flakes for today's nail art. So I'm coming in with these nice burgundy wine flowers. I've cut the flowers in half because I's a cheapskate, like y'all know this. I put 1/2 on that end, and then I take the smaller flowers, because you guys, we all have these dried flowers. I take the smaller flowers, I run them down the center of the nail, as you can see me doing here, and then I apply the other half of the larger flower to the end. And then I go in with my gold flakes. I love that last one we just put down with the stem. Oh my, why do these look so elegant? Oh my gosh. Coming in with my gold flake. I have been using this gold flake a lot. I love the different texture of it, the different look of it, because we all have that really shiny, smooth one, but this more like ripply, like rough one, I like it a lot. And then after I do that, I flash cure the nail for a full 30 seconds. Now, because I'm applying such a thin coat of the Gershon Builder Gel, I feel quite confident, guys, just going through all of the fingers, using the same technique, cuticle to sidewall, keeping it thin, bringing it down about a half a way down the nail, and then moving to the next step of applying the flowers, and then the next step of applying the gold flake, all while that gel layer is uncured, and then popping them in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. So you'll just be watching me move from color to color. So the next color is going to be this beautiful red, and then I'll do the pink, and then I'll do, well, the fuchsia pink, then I'll do like this really light pastel pink, and then wrapping it all up with the pinky, using some beautiful like deep ivory. And I did have to clip quite a few stems away from the back of the bigger flowers because they were like raised up a bit, and I know my nails are a bit lengthy, but I do like as little product as I can possibly use. I know I'm a mom, I do like the everyday stuff, but I don't build my nails up to be very thick at all. And I didn't want, because the flowers were all raised up, to cause me to have to do that. So I clipped quite a few stems off the back of these larger flowers before I added them down. And I need to apologize just in case you guys hear anything weird, like birds, construction, because I'm outside doing my voiceover today. It's such a nice day. It's hot as heck in my house. See, there I am cutting off the stem. It's hot as heck at my house, so I'm just outside in like the parking area of my apartment complex, and I'm sitting on some cement blocks. Yes. So, do you guys like the color scheme? I love it. I was gonna do rainbow, but then I put the wrong color on my toes. I put that burgundy, like the same color as the burgundy flowers I have on my thumb, on my toes, and I was like, Lisa, you're such a dunce. You should have put gold glitter. But then I just changed the color scheme. Like, isn't that just awesome when you can do your own nails and you can figure that out? Yeah. It's pretty awesome to be able to do your nails and be like, oops, I'm gonna change the design. So lastly, I'm adding the gold flakes on here, and then I will be curing these nails for a full 60 seconds. And FYI, I did keep a bit of footage of me doing my working with my non-dominant hands. I'm doing my right hand with my left hand, and it's the same process. If you guys don't want to watch that, that's totally okay. I is not mad at you, but just to let you know, I wanted to just do that this time around because I rarely do the same design on both hands, and I thought it'd be cool to watch me do the same technique that, you know, not a lot of people are using, and watch me do it on my non-dominant hand. And here I am, same technique. It's a lot slower, I will say. And I did notice that on this hand, I have not an extreme amount of product, but a bit more product than I have on the other. I think that was out of nerves and just not wanting them to look like off. So here I am applying all the builder gel. And I found this was easier. This was an easier way to do my nails using my non-dominant hand. And I know that's weird because it's like a smaller brush. The work is a bit more detailed, I guess, but no. So yeah. You guys can see what I'm doing, so I'm not going to be explaining it. I'm just going to gab with you guys because I feel quite talkative today. Girl, shush. You feel talkative every day. So midway as I'm doing my nails, my toddler, my 2-year-old, decides, oh, I was about to crap in my pants. Like, loaded his diaper up. The other 2 kids are running around the house like, Mommy, he's stinky. And I'm like, damn, I got gel on my nails. And this is, do you know what point it happened? It happened after I'd got all of the flowers and the gold leaf adhered to my nail. So you know that gel is tacky as hell. And it's like, it's not capped. So I'm about to go change a diaper, all sorts of fuzz and stuff. So I had to change his diaper, and we made it like a team effort. Like my oldest, my 9-year-old, did all the wiping. I held up his legs. My daughter got all the supplies. Listen, it was a team effort because I know that little boy was not trying to mess my nails, and he knew it took me like solid. I think I had those same like bright flowers on my nails for like 6 weeks before I actually did anything with them, all in the name of not knowing what the heck to put on my nails. And there you go, trying to ruin it. So that was like a funny thing that had happened that day. So yeah, now like I can say that I did not feel pretty until my toes were done, my hair was done, and my nails were done. Like I felt so grotesque. Not to say that I was, and that anyone should, you know, consider themselves as such when that is the condition. But that's how I felt, and it was almost like my day didn't start, or like the sun didn't rise or whatever, until I got those things done. Even though the day did rise and the day did start and all these things. So just how I felt. So anyway, I'm using again with a Gershon product. Girl, get your IBD game together. I'm using my Gershon gel brush, and I'm making sure that I float that gel into the little cracks and the crevices, because now I'm preparing, this is my slip layer, I'm preparing to cap these nails. So once I've gone on with the slip layer, I go straight to the cuticle and I float that gel from sidewall to sidewall, moving it as little as possible because this is clear gel and it's more prone to bubbles. And then I go all the way down to the free edge of the nail, flip the nail upside down so that I can create my apex, move the gel around ever so slightly with my brush, and then cure it for a full 60 seconds. I've removed that dispersion layer and now I'm just attacking them with the file. Not that it needs much, to be honest. I've gone and reshaped them. I've defined my shape, I've gone around the cuticle area, and then I start contouring the sides and then going down the surface of the nail. And this is like a really, so you can see the weird ways that I file my nails. There is a filing technique in here somewhere, I promise you. I promise you. So I just do this to all of the nails. And yeah, we went with like I don't know if you guys noticed initially, we went with a bit more pointed almond that I normally do. I normally go for like a rounded, but this was more pointed than normal, but not pointed enough to be a stiletto. So I've dust and cleansed the nails, and here is what they look like, all filed. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. These could have totally been matte and they would have looked so dang good. And there you can see that those are actually my nails, like the base of them are like yellow. And I'm coming in with my Gershon top coat. And do you know what? I'm kind of generous with this top coat. I really am. I'm loving Gershon top coat these days. It's a good thing that I have like 8 bottles or something like that. brand ambassador struggles. I'm kidding. Is that a humble brag? That was sad. That was a reach. I tried it. So anyway, I'm top coating these nails and then I cure them for a full 60 seconds. I mean, yes, they looked good matte, but come through shiny. Can you come through? Yes, please. So gorgeous. Oh my gosh, my nails are so pretty. I love them. And then I had to go ahead and add some cuticle oil on myself because I don't want you guys to think that I'm not cuticle oiling my own nails. And that is the end of the video, guys. So if you haven't already, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. There goes a car coming by. Look forward to the product list below and a video and picture of the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. I love you so much, and I promise to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.